I told you.
Oh,
told you.
he warned me, but oh my heck, that was like 3 convulsions. Like, oh my gosh, that's so sour.
It's wetty, strong.
It's coming up right here.
I'm falling over.
Right here.
Tide's coming in. What's gonna happen? There's more right there.
Don't great white sharks follow these wherever they go?
What?
Don't great white sharks follow these wherever they go?
No.
Oh, okay.
Was that awesome? No.
Morning everybody, welcome to day 2 of our trip. We are going to be loading up the van and heading out today. We stayed the night in Vegas and now we're gonna get the rest of the way down. We're gonna go see some fun things, go to the beach, hang out, and have fun. Bring you guys along. Welcome today guys, we're glad that you are here. Let's go.
We're at a rest stop.
We stopped at a rest stop to use the facilities.
Like Death Valley, and there's a
Do you guys see that?
venomous lizard.
Yeah, it looks like a stick, but if it moves, you'll see that it is a lizard. Also, I think the lizard catcher really wants to get out and catch it, but we can't. We are going to go to the beach now.
Halle, the lizard.
Don't open the Don't open the windows when you're on the freeway, okay, kids? It makes your ears pop. On the planes, you
Airplanes.
can see a fin of one.
Oh, there's helicopters. Ooh, cool.
Traffic. Love it.
Oh.
Got it here. Yay! Where are we?
The Cove.
The Cove. Everybody's hungry.
Right.
Oh, I'll share someone.
I might get some pineapple juice.
Delicious. Yeah, that was good.
Any questions on the menu?
So, I think we're good.
Right, Jack's is just peachy. Is that what yours is?
Yep.
What's in it? Whoa, really? Is it sour?
It's like the desert cactus part. What was the desert cactus part of mine?
Oh.
What's the big flat cactuses that you like slice?
I can't remember.
Those.
We should have checked it before she took the menus away.
Ooh.
Miley likes cactus lemonade.
Yeah, but that's different.
It's different.
It's
Oh.
really strong. Spicy peach.
Spicy
It's
peach?
peach or pear?
It's peach.
Just peach. Spicy peach.
Ooh, it's
I
got a
don't-
kick too.
Really? Okay. Well, now I have 2 drinks to try. Okay. Okay, so Jack's drink
Furry tauntaun?
is like sweet when you first drink it, but then after you've swallowed and it stays there a second, it's like Alka-Seltzer stuck in your throat.
Did it taste like a furry tauntaun? Spicy.
Spicy. I don't like it. He loves it. I don't like it.
Told you.
Oh,
just
told
sweet.
He warned me, but oh my heck, that was like 3 convulsions. Like, oh my gosh, that's so sour.
Wetty, strong.
Oh, wow. I'm glad I got water. I'm gonna try a little bit. I'm scared now. I got my. Take a good one.
Take a good drink. There you go.
Every day.
Nothing?
She's
Oh
like,
my,
nothing.
for real?
Delicious.
You're like your dad.
It's only a little sour.
Only a little.
It just got me. Got me.
Okay, while Jack's jamming out, we figured out his drink. His drink is peach and ginger beer. So the heat that we're feeling in the back of our throat is the ginger. And then Dad's is prickly pear and what else did I say?
Delicious.
Lime and soda?
Lime and soda.
Yeah. So that's what that one was.
And lemonades. And water.
So tasty.
And water.
And water. Okay, I changed my mind. I want Halle's. That's her fish taco.
Hold on, take a picture.
Got all the phones out. Dad's got chicken tacos. And he got a boiga with waffle fries. Me and Maddie are sharing a salad and chicken sandwich. Okay, just kidding. My chicken sandwich just got here. I'm happy. And there's the cucumber salad that me and Maddie are gonna share.
Catch it.
Anything?
Mom's geeking out.
Dude,
She's geeking out about a burger.
that was so good.
Maddie's trying my chicken tacos. These are my chicken tacos. They're pretty freaking awesome. Jack got a, what is it called? Cove Burger. From the Cove Cafe. Oh yeah. These are our halibut tacos over here. Are they delicious, Halle? Mine
They're
are
very
delicious.
big.
The chicken one's delicious. Maddie, what did you think about them? Good taco, huh? But Mom's like, oh no, this is bad. We have to come back here all the time now. Sea lions. Big ones, holy cow. They're being loud. They're like, move over, I gotta get up on the rock. Make some room. There's one actually chilling right here in front of us. Just chilling out, maxing. Looks like a rock. Okay, this girl is swimming right up to the seal. I don't know what she's doing. It seems ill-advised. You know, like touch its tail or what? What the heck? And she's chasing it away? That's crazy. He's going to hang out with his buddies. We're gonna go explore these very crowded caves. Into the blackness. Where do they go? I don't understand. How far in there do they go? Oh, cool. They go all the way through. Okay. They're following us in here. You going in, Mom? No. Oh, you're coming? Mom's coming. Into the caves. Check out the caves. Feel the wall, Mom. Jack, feel it. I think we'll actually get old or something on the other side, won't we? Won't like a minute be a year? Yeah. We'll be super old. It feels like suede leather. It's really gross. Okay, we came out the cave. Mom made it out the cave. And there's an animal right there. There's the rest of the animals. Making a lot of ruckus. There's that big one. There's that girl who's chasing that big one. And there's this little guy. Tide's coming up my ass. How is it, Mom? Tide's coming up right here.
I'm falling over.
Right here.
Tide's coming in. What's gonna happen?
Pretty sure all the white stuff on them rocks over there is, yep, seagull stuff.
Yeah.
Seagull stuff and stuff, huh, Jack? Yeah. Okay, he's right there. My feet are right here. He's really close. He's chilling. And there's more right there. Don't great white sharks follow these wherever they go?
What?
Don't great white sharks follow these wherever they go? No. Oh, okay. Because he's like right there by us. Dude, she gets really close to that one right there. Dude, that guy's relaxed. Look at that guy. He's like zonked out hard. Okay, we have baby seals. See the baby seals. Just laying there. Just chilling right there. So cute.
two. There's one. There's three of them. One's there by mom. And there's two right there. Over there.
I think we found the king of the beach. That guy is a monster. That guy out there in the water. Holy cow. That's a big old boy. That is one thick boy. That's one big old boy. Oh, he's going for a swim.
Oh, you can see it.
There it is. Take a slight right turn.
They're contemplating how cold this is going to be because it's a little bit later than we were anticipating getting here. Yeah, so they're thinking about it. Debating. You going? Okay, do it. Go.
We're going to.
Yay.
In a minute.
Yeah, me and Halle are setting up camp. We got our little towels. We're just gonna hang out on the beach and watch everybody else play in the water this time.
I might go out later. I don't know. We'll see how long they last.
Dottie and just kidding. Get it out there. That's probably why people
Okay, we
are
spotted like a stingray thing right here. Oh, see him? This is going away from us. There's like a ray right here. Holy! Oh, there's two of them. Oh, there's three of them. Yeah, they're all over. They're right there. Was that awesome? No. That was cool! Getting deep. We're gonna send the camera back to mom. We're gonna play because I gotta. This camera doesn't have a floaty on it, so I'm really worried about dropping it and losing it forever.
Alright, so they found a bunch of stingrays, I guess the size of a dinner plate, and bigger fish and little fish, and they're riding the waves, but I think they're just about done. Dad's hit the turf a couple times and he's looking like he's scratched a little bit, so I think we're gonna call it.
And then she went chasing rays.
She didn't want to get wet and she was chasing rays and got wet anyways.
No, a wave tackled me. And I rolled.
It was awesome.
Halle found something. That's the biggest one that I've ever seen in my entire life.
Kids keep scooping them up and keep putting them in here.
Oh,
Where
really?
the water isn't, is my guess.
Oh. So you're gonna put him back in the water so he can live?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, marine biologist, you go make that thing live, okay?
I did not think I was gonna get that deep.
My last one?
No?
Was it good?
Yes? Halle's found a whole bunch of crabs. Did you have fun?
Yeah. His eye is covered in salt though.
Oh.
Okay, we're giving you the hotel room tour. We just got back here from the beach, so let's show it to you.
Okay, as you come in, you got the Heidi bed that Jack will be sleeping in. And then over here's his little TV and stuff, and this stuff, with the fridge and a microwave, some drawers, a desk. It's gonna be quick. We're gonna jump in the shower because we're all starving. Jack's in there. We'll show him the bathroom in a minute. You got, I don't even know what's in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice. Just a closet. In here, another desk with a sink. Ooh, I like the sink outside of the kitchen. That's where the girls can get ready while we're showering and stuff. Another TV and 2 beds. So it's a 2-bedroom. Nice. You cold? We had tons of fun at the beach.
It was so much fun, and like the rays and stuff. Oh,
the rays. We thought we got footage. We had a waterproof camera out there, and we were under the water showing pictures of the rays, but it didn't look like the camera got it. I watched it counting the seconds, but I don't.
They were this big, and they were so cute.
Here we are, walking down the street, going to Disney. We had matching shirts, me and Mom, for a minute, and then Dad wore his to the beach and got it all sandy.
We're crossing over. It's so close. It's so close.
Hey, there's the music. We're in. Just came through security. We made it. Heading into the Esplanade.
We're going to downtown Disney for dinner, but Maddie can't come to Disney parks without ears and all of her critters stuck in Kevin. It's a party in there, the lady said at the bag check. Everybody, take an example from Maddie's book, a page from her book, okay? Embrace it all. Go home.
Oh yeah. We made it. And a really good song. Soaring over California.
Oh my gosh. Hey, it's good to know that it's not the last time.
It's not the last time. Yay, Disney. Lines. We're just going to downtown Disney this trip. Not going inside, but soon, very soon. Okay, we did World of Disney. Didn't find a whole bunch of new stuff that really was our jam, but we love World of Disney. She wants a lot of things. Now we're heading into the Grand California because we're hoping that the big cake of the Millennium Falcon is still in here from Star Wars Celebration. So it was here. I hope it's still here. We're gonna go check it out. No Star Wars cake. It was a bust. We did go find some stuff for Pandora stuff in the gift shop in there, but now we gotta go back through security to get back into downtown Disney.
Thank you.
That probably works on drunk people. Maddie.
How many? 6.
Might go for 7.
2.
1.
You had 1?
Uncomfortable.
You're comfortable?
I'm waiting because Dad said something about churro.
Hallie had 2.
Oh, where's the churro?
Oh, they're making Baby Yoda apples. Oh yeah. Grogu apples. Delicious, yet sad to eat. Eating a Baby Yoda.
Look, they look at you. They look at you so sad. Don't eat me, don't eat me.
Okay, we're moving fast. We already went into Disney Home, did a quick loop. Pretty soon the firework people are gonna be coming out of the park because the fireworks just ended. And it's gonna be crazy down here, and it already is crazy. We're now in Wonderground. We like this place. all know, our other favorite restaurant. Next. Oh yeah. Star Wars Legos. I already got one in my arm. I already grabbed one. Look at this little guy in the Star Trader. He's got a cookie and everything. That's sweet. Here we go.
All right, Maddie bought a blind bag. She's hoping it's a porg.
Star Wars. Ooh, flowers.
So these are the characters you can get. You can get the droid.
That guy,
You can get a porg, which
she's
I
hoping
love.
for.
She felt all the bags.
Wanna do it?
Think she's gonna get
and then the Millennium Falcon.
Yeah. it's
Open it, I
either-
can't stand it. Just go for it.
Ah,
It's all now.
it's
Yeah, she got the boy.
Yay!
So tiny, so cute.
Cute.
Look at little fluffies.
Oh, he's cute.
Okay, we thought of one more place. The gift shop in the Grand California. So we can go see if they have a shirt, a different shirt. The search for the shirt.